Yo, everybody, back at it once again. Favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? So, what we're actually going to be talking about today is, did you ever hear about the song called The London Bridge is Falling Down, right? What if I were to tell you about a way that you can get paid from London, right? Maybe that doesn't make any sense. So, let me clarify that up a little bit, right? We're actually going to be teaching you guys how to get paid out every single London session going into the foreign exchange market. What if you had access to nonstop signals every London session, and you can mess around and learn a strategy or two, right? So that's actually what we're going to be tapping into on the next video. See you guys real soon. Peace. Yo, everybody, back at it once again. So as I already mentioned, your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? And today, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be diving into how to be able to, take advantage of some great London opportunities. So I know y'all may have heard the London Bridge is falling down, but what if the London Bridge was falling down and it was falling down into some profits? That what did he say? No sense, but I tried, okay? So before y'all go any further, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay up to date every time I drop a new video, which is damn near every day, specifically every week. And I want y'all to be the first ones to get that notification. So we're going to be actually diving into how you can take advantage of the London payout, which, as you thought, a lot of these setups are going to be during probably, perceived to be the best session in all of Forex, which is going to be the London session. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive directly into it right now. What I would like to go ahead and reference is, if you guys actually look up right here, I'm actually going to drop a video showing you guys whenever I actually did a YouTube video actually going over Vibrata earlier in the year. So definitely make sure y'all go tap into that, right? But before we go any further, you guys already know the first tool that we always log into is going to be IM.Center. Now, from IM.Center, you want to be able to locate Go Live. So I'm actually going to go ahead and select Go Live, okay? Now, after I select Go Live, you guys want to be able to locate the Forex Basics tutorials videos. Make sure y'all watch through those so you guys actually know how to be able to, navigate through the website, okay? So I'm going to scroll. I'm not going to stop at pick a channel. I'm going to actually work my way over to where it says Vibrata Web Analyzer, okay? So let me go ahead and pick on that channel underneath Strategies Education, right? And as you guys can see, Leanne doesn't look like she educates here anymore, but you're actually going to have 3 different educators, Belle, Kathy, and Sheriff. And I'm actually going to show you guys how you're actually going to have additional educators that are not actually included from what you currently see right here, okay? So the thing I actually want to be able to show you guys, I'm actually about to show you guys right now, is the main person you're going to want to focus on is honestly going to be Kathy Kirkland. So I am going to do a video on Belle and Sheriff later down the line. I'm going to start diversifying and doing some different videos on, different topics, because we basically already covered every single product. And at this point, I'm just stretching it, trying to, do add-ons so I can literally say I've done everything. So I'll say Belle and Sheriff for, maybe a month or 2 down the line. But Kathy Kirkland was referencing the Vibrata scanner that I mentioned earlier in the video that I dropped a few seconds ago. But we're actually going to go click on her because she's actually going to go live 3 days out the week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And she actually has a very unique strategy called the EC11 strategy, which I'm about to go ahead and dive into real quick, right? So whenever you get to Dr. Kathy Kirkland's channel, the first thing you want to do, you guessed it, you guys want to be able to locate the favorite sessions, okay? Now, in the favorite sessions, you guys are going to see she actually has 5 videos that are specifically going to be made to be able to help you guys take advantage of learning her personal strategy. On top of that, if you guys notice right here, day 1 of LPO bootcamp. What do you think that stands for? London payout, okay? So these are going to be the videos you want to watch. I'm not saying skip, start from the bottom, work your way up to the top, and then you guys should be good, okay? Now from there, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you guys some bonus opportunities you guys can take advantage of on Go Live. So we're going to go back to the homepage of Go Live, right? I'm going to actually scroll down, right? And I'm going to locate where it says pick a channel, okay? Now from where it says pick a channel, I'm going to click on where it says FRX Academy, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll. I'm going to locate my first educator, which is going to be Anastasia, okay? Anastasia is also going to be one of the exclusive educators that's going to be a part of the Vibrata London Payout add-on, okay? She's going to be live 3 days out the week, Sniper Mastery, Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. Let me go ahead and click on Anastasia, okay? Now, whenever I click on Anastasia, similar, where do y'all think we're going to start off at? You guessed it, the favorite sessions, okay? Now, as you see, Anastasia has a few more videos than Dr. Kathy Kirkland. And I want to be very clear. I'm not saying you guys need to watch every single favorite sessions of all these different educators I'm showing you. But, I mean, if you did, it definitely wouldn't hurt. I'm just throwing that out there. It definitely wouldn't hurt. So, same concept with Anastasia. Depending on who you decide you want to start on first, she's also going to have an extensive favorite sessions. I personally can't sit here and say watch this specific video or watch this specific video, I'm going to specifically say, watch every video. Okay. As we keep it pushing, there's going to be one more educator in the Forex Academy that I want y'all to focus on. It's going to be Kevin Serrano. So Kevin Serrano, it actually says London Lookout, right? And then he has one for New York session. So he actually goes live 5 days out the week. You guys like to do live trading. You might want to focus on Kevin Serrano. Okay. One of the OGs, right? Same concept. Where do you think we're going to start off at? The favorite sessions. Okay. So if I go to the favorite sessions, it's going to be the same information. Start from the bottom, start working your way up to the top. Okay. He actually does have a video included with Anastasia. He has a few different strategies, right? Cash cross strategy is going to be his favorite strategy. You actually even have the cash cross training, and you have multiple London payout videos. Okay. So remember, Dr. Kathy Kirkin had a London payout video. He has 2 London payout boot camps. So you guys definitely want to be able to make sure you tap in so you guys actually know how to utilize it. And I wouldn't blame you if you skip directly to the London payout videos. But overall, I personally would take my time, go back, watch all the favorite sessions, you know, assuming that you want to be able to go as far as you possibly can, right? So we're going to come back to IM.Center. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the strategies tab, okay? Going to click on the strategies tab. Whenever we click on the strategies tab, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. We're going to locate the Forex Academy. Then we're going to locate where it says Vibrata, okay? Now you guys can see how many different add-ons that they have, which in time I will do all of these, but we just go focus on one today, okay? So London Payout, which is going to be right here, right? So with the London Payout is going to be an optional second tier add-on. London Session, market ideas with recommended risk parameters is intraday, and you do foreign currencies, okay? Let's go ahead and dive directly into it, right? Let's see. Okay, so what you guys actually want to be able to do is you want to come right here where it says vibes, not strategies, vibes. Click on London Payout. Okay, now I'm officially on the London Payout tab. So I'm about to show you guys how you can actually get down with this, right? So the way that the London Payout works is obviously what you guys want to be able to make sure that you do. Okay, cool. So look, real quick, click on the bell in the top right corner with the 1. It's going to give you access to the Telegram, okay? So I'm actually click on that. It's going to give you access to the Telegram. Let's see. All right, bet. I'm actually not in the channel. So let me join that channel myself. Let me mute this. So let me join that channel myself, right? This is going to be the channel that's going to give you all the updates. So look at all the educators that are going to give you the updates. You got Sheriff. You got Andre. You got so on and so forth. Sheriff, Andre, Bell. I was trying to see, you know, get everybody's name here. But yeah, so you guys get the gist of it. These are going to be all the areas that are going to be sent to be able to give you the updates for the London Payout, okay? So from the moment that you get the alert, you guys want to be able to check in here and see if any of these trade ideas are still good for you to be able to put in. So example, if I click on this trade idea for AUD JPY, it was a market execution. Where did the market execution take place from? The market execution took place from right here, right? Then what do we have? The market smashed both take profits, and then the trade was over. Very smooth, okay? Literally no drawdown, very smooth. That's going to be how it works, right? Let's go to the next one. SPX 500. Let's look at another one, right? You entered here, right? You smashed both targets. The trade was over. Let's go to US 30, right? You entered here, smashed both targets. The trade is over, right? Let's do one more example. GBP JPY. Keep in mind, all these are market execution, okay? You entered here. It smashed 2 of the targets, not the third one. The trade is over, okay? Just like that, smooth, clean, efficient. These are market execution, so please be aware this isn't real time. So whenever you see the trade ID, you definitely want to execute ASAP, right? Now, that's literally how London Payout is going to work. What you guys can do in addition to it is if you want to go right here where it says training, blooper moment, training doesn't actually pull up anything, so don't even worry about that. So guys, you've literally come here. You've now seen how to be able to utilize London Payout. I've shown you 3 different educators, right? I've shown you how to be able to find the trade ideas. I've shown you guys how to be able to find the education. I've shown you guys how to be able to locate the Telegram. Now what I would like you guys to do is locate that subscribe button, okay? And then click on it. Then the next thing is like, comment, share, subscribe one more time, right? Follow your boy on Instagram, official Tyree Samuels. And as usual, I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you when you want to be here. Peace.